At Fiberon, bringing families and communities together with nature is our passion. Our purpose goes beyond the decking and railing we make. It's about the outdoor living spaces we help create, the dreams we fulfill, the confidence we build, and all the lives we impact along the way. We believe decks should be enjoyed, not maintained. That's why every day we strive to deliver the most durable and highest performing composite decks in the industry, to give people the assurance that they made the right choice for their homes, their families, and their businesses, so that they can spend more time enjoying life outdoors. Together, we're rewriting the rules of decking with over 2 decades of innovations designed to withstand the harshest conditions. We're leading the way in sustainability by using up to 95% recycled content in every Fiberon deck board. We're supporting our partners with trusted products that stand the test of time. We're inspiring new, eco-friendly projects with a curated portfolio that transcends style and budget. We're going the extra mile to provide the support people need from start to finish. We're giving a family's forever home a foundation for unforgettable memories, because what we do in here helps make a difference for our environment, and we're proud to be a part of that change.